Okay, so we're gonna let you guys take a real quick peek at this sizing right here. This is actually not my size, but I didn't get a chance to pick them up. And I'm gonna have to run out real quick and pick up me a pair. I am liking these. Such a really clean pair right here. Look at the details. Everything to love about this pair. So this blueberry on the bottom with this nice upper right here. See the quality of that leather. I am digging these. But like I said, I didn't get a chance to pick them up myself. But I'm definitely gonna circle back around and pick them up. So just a really quick unboxing of these right here. And like I said, they're really clean. Definitely worth the pickup. So that's pretty much it right there. Let me know if this was a pair that you picked up or a pair that you passed on. I'm mad I ain't hit on them Travis Scotts though. Those L's for those Travis Scotts be hurting.